Hello everyone. In this lesson, the topic which we will cover is table calculations. Now, first we want to create one visual where we will show subcategory wise sales across region. Let me do one modification in this title and in this problem statement. Drop down, click edit title. I want to show category and subcategory wise sales percentage across regions. So let's click on apply. This is fine now. So now we have three dimensions: category, subcategory and regions. So let's drag one by one. Category in the rows area, subcategory next to category, and then regions in the column section. And after that, let's drag sales as values over text. You can see sum of sales here. This thing we have already covered. I want to show total of column and total of row. We have already covered in our previous lesson, everyone. So to show total, what we do, we click on analysis tab and then we go under totals and show row grand total. You can see total of our bookcases, chair, furniture, tables. Similarly, to show row to column total, click on analysis, go in totals and show column total, and you can see column total of each, and you can see the total sales is 2.2 million. Now what we want to show? We want to show sales percentage. You can see the share of bookcases is 24,000 in central across the other regions, and this is 24,000 against my total sales, which is 2.2 million. But I want to tell how much is this of my total, grand total. Before that, I want to perform one more thing here, everyone. You can see we don't have a total of our furniture in this table. We don't have a total of our office supplies in this table. We don't have a total of our technology. That means there is subtotal is missing. So to add subtotal, click on analysis, and in total we have an option to add subtotal. Left click on this and this will add subtotal of each category. Let's click on this drop down and use entire view. This is perfect. And now to change this into percentage, what I will do, I will click on analysis, and to perform percentage of calculation, click on percentage of, and here you can see we have a table calculation formulas. Percentage of calculation for table, for column, for row, for pen, we can decide. So if I pick table, that means I want to calculate sales against total sales. So left click on table and you can see this is 1.05% against total of 100%. Or let's say this time what we want to do, I don't want to compare sales of my bookcases with chair. I want to compare sales of my bookcases of central with sales of my bookcases of east. That means I want to do within subcategory across region analysis. I want to show each row as in 100%. Within a subcategory across region analysis. So for this, click on analysis and then we have percentage of row total. Left click on row and this will keep your each row as in 100%, and then you can see within subcategory. Now this time the share of bookcases in central is 21%, east is 38%, south is 9%, and this is 31%, west, and total each row is 100%. So this is within subcategory across region analysis. One more thing, if you want to do, let's say I don't want to compare sales of my central with sales of my east. I'm preparing this report for the person who leads central region. So he want to do within region across subcategory analysis. In this case, we'll click on analysis again and then we'll go to percentage of and we'll perform percentage of column total. And you can see now each column is 100%, and this is now 4.8% share of bookcases in central compared to the other subcategories sales in the central region. If you want to keep your pen total, your subtotal as 100%, we have option in analysis percentage of pen total. left click on this, and you can see now each pen as 100%, and instead of grand total, this time we have computed against subtotal. So this percentage of total calculation formula is very interesting, everyone. This is up to you how you want to visualize your calculations, how you want to visualize your report by performing percentage calculation. This time, let's say I want to do within region, but region for this parent, which is furniture. Total, I want to keep column of each furniture as 100%. So in this situation, I will click on analysis and then again percentage of, and then column in pen. So each column in my pen is 100% now. And this is 14, this is 52, 9 and 23. Total becomes 100%, everyone. Okay, so percentage of calculation is very interesting. Right now we have performed this in table view. You can perform in any visual. You can perform in column, you can perform in vertical bar, horizontal bar, in your stack calculation, in whichever you want to perform, you can perform. We will cover this again in some of our exercises in future classes. So this is about this video, everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.